Cooper. Cooper, what day is it? It's PlayStation Day! It's PlayStation Day, buddy! Cooper is so excited for his new PlayStation, aren't you?
Good morning, everyone. We're off to go get the PlayStation 5 today. But first, we're getting some McDonald's breakfast.
Get in my belly!
I want to take a photo of you guys too.
It's home.
Alright, there you go, darling, you can start now.
Well, we finally got the goods, so, you know, let's get stuck in. I got the disc edition, because why would you go digital? This is backwards compatible with the PlayStation 4, with like 99% of the games. So, I'm excited to play through a lot of my PlayStation 4 games that I haven't actually played before. First off, we've got the quick start guide. Ain't nobody gonna read that. Next we've got the safety guide. We have the DualShock in all its prettiness. Quickly go grab the PlayStation 4 controller. So we have the PlayStation 4 controller. So we now have the PlayStation 5 controller. A bit of a difference there. So this one, it feels just a touch heavier, but it's also a little bit bigger there as well. So that makes sense. The shape of it has changed slightly, and in the hands, it does feel quite comfortable. Next up, we have the stand for the PlayStation. So it's actually good that they've supplied this, because with previous versions of PlayStation, you've actually had to buy the stand separately. This time around, they've given it to us for free, so you can have it vertical or horizontal. It's really up to you. I think I'm gonna have mine vertical. But if it's too tall, then it might cut in front of the TV, so we shall see. Do you want to have a look at the controllers? See what you think?
It's very secure, isn't it?
Yeah.
This one's very smooth. It has a bit of grip around the bottom here.
Yeah?
It's really good.
What do you think feels better?
They're both pretty comfortable.
Anyways, we have the console. Come on, baby.
Ooh.
Oh, there we go. It's more like a grey white than just like a stark white. I kind of like it, the colour it is. People were quite upset with the colour scheme of it because they wanted an all black console like the PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4 have been previously. But it's more like, almost like a PlayStation 1 grey. So, it's pretty cool actually. What do you think, Dorothy? Do you think it looks good this way? Or this way?
I think standing up looks better.
I think so too. There will be replaceable faceplates later on coming out for these things as well. And I don't know, I reckon a red or a blue one might look pretty cool on this. Maybe gloss black. Anyways, we're going to get this thing plugged in. So we're going to switch sides and we're going to go over that side now. Oh, look at that. Just fits underneath the TV. Alright, let's get this plugged in. So I've already plugged in the stand there for us, and it comes with a little screw in there which holds it in place, which is great. There we go. So apparently the booting speed is so fast on these things with the new SSD hard drive in it. Well, turn that volume up. The cat is currently climbing up Dorothy's back. Brightness. Alright, what game's going in there first, Violet?
Minecraft.
Alright, so that's all set up. So we are gonna get stuck into some Minecraft very shortly for Violet. Anyways, it's been great so far. I'm really happy with how it's all been so smooth for updating. I'm gonna go update all the authenticators and do my mobile stuff while we're recharging. So I think we're off to a good start.
Pop-up dialog. Turn off screen reader. Welcome.
So we've had a bit of a playground with the PlayStation. So Violet had a real fun time playing some Minecraft, and she did notice a little bit of a difference between the PlayStation 4 and the PlayStation 5 version. So with hers, she said, the textures were a little bit nicer, it was a little bit smoother, and it was just all around better to play. I played some Astro's Playroom, and I played a little bit of Bug Snacks. How cheeky. So loading times on these games have been absolutely fantastic, like from the main menu through to the main menu screens. With Call of Duty Modern Warfare had some problems installing that, so I put the disc in, I'd get up to 3%, it would install about 1.5 gigs, and then it would just not do any more after that. So I've transferred over from my PlayStation 4 console, and it's still giving me lots of problems. It's saying that the version's not quite current, so I'm going to have to do some more digging into that. Let me know, did you get a PlayStation? Did you get an Xbox? Anyways, that's enough from me, so I hope you enjoyed the video for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Dorothy, I said bye!
I'll come and say bye. Bye!